Hello, friends. Hello, we are back once again. We are here with the WoW game devs of the Yippee varieties. Also, welcome Goldie and welcome Dolphinburb. Welcome, friends. I hope you're doing very well. Hope you're doing super awesome and Skibbity and PogChamp and on all the above. Actually, though, yes, we are here in the makings of Yippee Special Creations. Yeah, I think we're super close to an update. I think I am probably gonna release an update like pretty soon in the Yippee worlds, man. We are pretty close, I think. Yeah. we got our background stuff going, our new like kind of scrolly backgrounds and stuff, but I'm looking forward to it, man. I think it'll be pretty good. I think it'll be extra cool in PogChamp, actually, though. Yeah, but I hope you friends are doing super well. Yes, this is a nice what's it like? I guess for some it's like Saturday. For me it's still like Friday. We like our Friday afternoons, man. This is like the time when we turn the brains off. I like this. This is good. This is good. But yeah, let's jump into it, shall we? I think so. Let's go in. Let's go in. Yeah. Oh wait, I forgot to start up something. Okay, we got it. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, we're here. We're here. And we also have little Yippees and many Yippees. Actually, we have so many Yippees on the screen. It is awesome. It is super awesome. Yeah. But what have we been up to? What things have we been doing? Yeah, we came off of, I think on Wednesday we streamed horror game. It was the Resident Evil 7 style. This one's kind of a bit creepy-ish, but I've seen a little bit of it played before and it looks super fun, so I wanted to try it also. Wait, maybe we'll show this though. Maybe we'll show this a little bit. The Resident Evil 7 styles. Check it out. This is what we played on Wednesday. Yeah, we're almost, I think we got like pretty close to finishing actually. Yeah, we kind of grinded that one, man. We got a lot of the evil enemies defeated and did a lot of puzzling. This was pretty good. But I've been having fun playing this one, man. Even though it's a bit creepy and I'm not used to like horror games and stuff, I got a lot of fun out of it, man. It's pretty good. But yeah, basically in this game there's like a evil family and we go to their like house in the middle of the woods and they're all infected with mold and they've all got brain rot, moldy brains. It's kind of dank meme actually though. Yeah. But we got to cure the molds. But they're chasing us the whole time. They're chasing us with like chainsaws and evil weapons and things. Yeah, but it's fun. Yeah, we are building our tolerance to like horror games, I think. Yeah, I'm so not used to horror actually as like a genre, but we're starting to kind of build our tolerance. Yes, this is maybe like my third or fourth horror game like I've ever played. This is like, yeah, we're still kind of fledgling to it, but I think we're getting there, man. I think we're getting there, and we'll get so used to it that we won't like jump every time a jump scare happens. Like they won't actually be jump scares; they'll just be like scares, I guess. Yeah, this will be better. This will be better. But yeah, we've been having fun with this one, man. Yeah, I think we'll probably end up like finishing it next week. Yeah, maybe we'll think about like some other horror games to play after that. But it's been pretty fun for sure. Yeah. What else have we been up to? Yeah, I think in our last dev stream we talked about like Minecraft a little bit. How they like released a new mob, like Happy Ghast Friend. They released a, wait, let me see if I can show this one. We can show Happy Ghast Friend in the Minecrafts. Yeah, we talked about this last time. They announced this in one of like the Minecraft previews like a week back. That there's like a new Happy Ghast Friend that you can ride on and stuff. But all this Minecrafting got me thinking, man. It got me thinking because I am a huge mega Minecraft fan actually though. I love my Minecrafts and we like going into the Minecraft worlds and even like multiplayers and stuff. And I think we also talked about like Aether mod last time. And all this Minecraft stuff got me thinking, man, I kind of want to play Aether. I kind of want to play Aether mod, actually, though. I kind of maybe we'll stream this. Maybe we'll stream this, but I love the Aether, man. I love the Aether. We can build our glowstone portal and put the water bucket in it and go to the heavenly worlds of Minecrafts. Actually though, amongst the clouds and all the cool bosses and get the cool like Valkyrie armors and stuff. I think this would be super cool in PogChamp actually though. Yeah, so maybe we will do this. Yeah, it might be time. I think so, Goldie. I think it is time. We relive our young fantasies of wanting to go to the Aether, and we shall do it for realsies this time. We'll do it for realsies and get some cool things. We'll get some cool things because there's actually some pretty cool bosses in the mod, and I think there's like 2 versions of Aether. I kind of want to play the original one. Yeah, We're getting licked. Oh no, we're getting extra licked. Oh my, oh my. Maybe this is a bit ticklish. Maybe this is a bit ticklish. It's a little bit. It's a little bit. Yeah. But yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I think we'll probably do something like this, man. Because I'm like a long time Minecraft gamer, and I feel like we've not played enough Minecraft on stream. Like we did like Nuclear Craft collab that one time, which was pretty fun. And I did like Cave Horror Project, but I think that's about it. Yeah, I love the frog too much. He is pretty cool. I like Friend Frog, Friend Scholarly Frog. He's awesome. Yeah, I like that emote too. It's very silly. It's very silly. Good for the mega licks, actually. Yeah. But yeah, I think this will be super fun. Wait, because I was looking up like the bosses too. I was looking up also the Aether bosses. Like they got some mega cool bosses actually though. There's like this guy with he's like a stone block, but he's got an eyeball on him. He's called the Slider, and he slides around. I think he spawns in like this one room in the Aether, like a dungeon room, and he like slides around on the floor and he smacks into you, and then he gets really angry and he turns red. Yeah, I think so. But do they have like any like images of him? He has like a red form. He has an angry form, but he's all calm in his blue one. Yeah, so maybe we'll take on these bosses if we do the Aether. Like Slider. There's also Valkyrie Queen. She's kind of pretty tough. She has like Mega Sword, and I think she spawns like other Valkyries around her, and they do mega damage. Yeah, so we'll see if we can like take them on. And I think there's one more. Yeah, the Sun God. The Fire Dude, man. The Fire Dude. Yeah, these are the 3 main mega bosses. I think maybe there might be a strat with like the Sun God where we can like douse him with water or something. Yeah, kill them strong style. We will kill them mega strong style very bigly, I think. This will be mega good. Yeah. And we'll get some cool like baubles and trinkets and rings and mega power ups and armors and cool big sword, big chunky one, and we'll do the mega damage actually though. Yeah. I think this is totally the way. Yes, I look forward to it, but I think we'll probably do this. I really want to. I think this will be mega actually awesome. Yeah. But I think I've only played the Aether like a little bit before in the past. Like I've never actually like done like a solo let's play kind of like playthrough and actually beaten all the bosses. But I kind of know a little bit of what to expect. Yeah. So we can come in with some strategies and we can mess them up. We can mess them up a good, man. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. I'm totally ready, man. I love the Aether. I love the Aether. I think I told the story last time, but like when I was super young, I always wanted to go to the Aether. Like I saw some people play it on YouTube and I'm like, oh, I really want to go. But at the time I had like no concept of how to mod Minecraft, so I couldn't go because I was like, we didn't know how to add the mods to our Minecrafts. Yeah, and I ended up downloading a bunch of like viruses trying to do it. Yes, but we have the knowledge now. We have the knowledge that we can use to go to the Aether mod in Minecraft. Yes, we can do this without downloading weird Bitcoin miners and adware. Yeah, this will be much better. Yeah. Look how pretty it is. Look how pretty it is, man. Look at the cow. Look at the cow. Isn't he cool? He's got wings. He's a flying cow. He's the cow that went to the afterlife, and now he produces the golden milk or something. I think that would be extra tasty style. Yeah, they even got like the pigs with wings too. Like all the animals are like winged creatures. They're like angels. Oh my gosh, man. Oh my gosh. Yeah. This will be super good. But yeah, I know, speaking of craft games, speaking of games with the word craft in them, I've actually gotten back into an old game I used to play some time back, which is the World of Warcrafts, man. I'm kind of like a World of Warcraft gamer, not like old time gamer, but like kind of the newer ones. But they came out with some cool zones, and I got back into it like this week. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no, is it bad? Is it bad? I know, because like WoW is one of those games where you get sucked into it. Like you hear the horror stories of like some guy at an internet cafe, he didn't move in the chair for like 3 days and he died or something. Yeah. It's this kind of game. It's so good that you don't even want to like get up. Yeah, I'm not so hooked into it, but like it's pretty nice. Yeah, the WoW Metux, it is pretty good. It is pretty good. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. But yeah, there's like one of the most recent expansions. It's called like the War Within. Yeah, this one. Wait, let me see if I can find this one. The War Within in WoW. This style. Yes, it's all about like the light and the dark in the game and evils and stuff. Yeah. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Oh, new gas though? Oh yeah, the new gas are pretty good. In like the Minecrafts. Yeah, we like these ones. We like these ones. Yeah, I can't wait for them to add them to the actual game, and then we can like ride them and do cool mini games and stuff. Yeah, I love the new gas actually. These are super good. Yeah. We are a big fan. We are a big fan of all the craft games, all the Minecrafts and the World of Warcrafts. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's just like coincidence, or maybe it's not. Maybe it's not. Maybe we'll find another craft game to sink like hundreds of hours into. I would not be surprised. I would not be surprised. But I totally have like hundreds of hours in like both games. Yeah, probably a lot more in Minecraft though. Yeah, I played that one like we started Minecraft maybe back in like 2011 or 12 or something, and we've still been playing it. It's been pretty good. Yeah. Hello, Cipher. Hey, Dan. Welcome, friend. Welcome, friend. I hope you're doing very well. Welcome. Yeah, we were talking about like Minecrafts and World of Warcrafts. Yeah, I've been thinking on playing like the Aether. Maybe, I don't know, sometime soon. I've gotten a sudden hankering for going to the Aether dimension. I think it would be pretty nice. Yeah. Before WoW, I was old school RuneScape maxing. Is this the way, Dolphin Burb? I've actually never got into RuneScape myself, but I've heard very good things about it. Like it's a very grindy game, and we like grinding in the games, getting all the resources and stuff. I've heard this is very good, but very nice. Yeah. I was more of a Ragnarok Online kind of kid. Oh, I feel like I've heard of this name, but I don't think I've actually seen it. Wait, Ragnarok Online. Wait a sec. Oh, this game. I might have seen like some graphics for this one. But yeah, I'm not like super familiar with it. Yeah, I guess I haven't like explored a whole lot of different MMOs. I've just been kind of like, we've been kind of stuck in the World of Warcraft, but with the War Within style. This style. Yeah. But there's some good MMOs out there, I'm sure. Like Final Fantasy, I think, has a pretty good one out right now. Like, I think, is it 14? I think that's the one everyone's playing. But that one also looks pretty nice. Yeah. I used to write scripts for grinding automation. Wow, that's super funny, Dolphin Burb. Wait, that's funny, but also smart. Yeah, right? Because if you're doing like the same thing a lot, you can just like, if you have the powers, if you have the code powers, you can just like grind it out with the script and just like completely automate it. That way you get mega levels while you sleep. Yes, you just gotta keep your computer plugged in and on. Yeah, this is definitely pretty good. Yeah, I never did economy manipulation. Yeah, I don't know. If with great power comes great responsibility. If you have the mega powers to do the scripts, then you don't want to like ruin the whole economy with it. This would be dank meme. Yeah. Also, welcome Milo. Welcome, friend. I hope you're doing super well and awesome. Yeah, we're talking about like MMOs and WoWs and stuff. I've been playing. I got back into World of Warcraft like this week. I've been enjoying it a lot. It's been pretty nice. Yeah. Final Fantasy XI is kind of funny now since the power creep has been so strong. They can play the game like a single player RPG. Oh, is it? Wait, is that the MMO one? I might be thinking of something else. Wait, Final Fantasy XI style? Wait a minute. Oh, this might be like another MMO. I was thinking of maybe like it was this one. Is it this one? Final Fantasy XIV? Yeah. There's like multiple Final Fantasy MMOs, I guess. Interesting. Yeah, they seem pretty nice though. They seem pretty good. Yeah, I gotta get into like one of these because we like the animes and the MMOs, and it kind of like combines both a little bit. Yes, this is good. This is very good. Yeah. And also speedrun the main quest in 5 hours? Oh, really? Really? Wait, that power creep is kind of wild then. That power creep is kind of wild. Like, even in WoW, it's not that fast. Like, I just got back into WoW this, like, week, and I played through the first zone, and I only got, like, 2 levels. I only got, like, 2 levels out of, like several hours of gameplay. That's much faster. Yeah. She said don't need to read memory are the best. Oh, dang. Yeah, I don't know how that would work. Like, do you have access to, like, the inner codes of the MMO style, of, like, the RuneScape style? And then maybe they'll have something that is, like open source. There's ways to exploit. I've never actually tried, like, modding, like, an existing game. I tried to do it for Minecraft a little bit, but that's kind of a bit different. Yeah. I only added like the plugins and stuff to like my own servers and stuff. Yeah, but it's pretty good. Yeah, real puzzle instead of where's the right memory address and it'll ban me and 0.01 seconds. Yeah, see, that's the thing though. Like, I feel like, I don't know, I'd be worried to like mod a game and then the anti-cheat to just like insta-perma ban me, IP ban me, and then I can never play the game again. This would be like a big sad and I think I would cry. Yeah, you have to be very careful about like what you do. You gotta, I don't know, maybe there's like ways to like study the anti-cheat and see what it detects and try and build something that goes around it. This is kind of a bit devious style, but maybe that's the strat. Yeah, this could definitely be the way actually though. I wonder how people will do it in WoW, because there's so many like in World of Warcraft, there's so many like WoW bots. There's so many WoW bots. Like let me see. Yeah, like look at this. Look at, you see that? It's just like the same character and they're just like copy pasted and they all like walk in a line. They all walk in a line and grind the dungeons. There's so many like bots in WoW for like gold farming, because there's these like gold farming websites in World of Warcraft where you can use like real money to buy gold, which is like against their terms of service, but they usually get that from like all these bots. Yeah, so I guess those don't get picked up by the WoW anti-cheat. I think they have to like manually ban them, but yeah, it's definitely there's some lines you gotta toe, man. You gotta find the right algorithm, the right way to write the bot or the plugin and do it. Yeah, I would not promote this though. I would not promote this, but yes, this is in theory this would be how you would do it. Yeah. It's dank meme. It's extra dank meme actually. Just wait until someone cooks up the physically actuated mouse and keyboard. Oh my gosh. Yeah, imagine you have like a tricked out mouse and you can just do like spam clicks like every like you do like 70 clicks a second or something. And I don't know, I feel like maybe the game might have like some way that it can like detect that. Like if you can, maybe it's got like some cooldown, you can't like click a bunch. But I can imagine if the game didn't have like this kind of like barrier or like way to check that, you could totally just do like infinite actions per second. It would be kind of dank meme. It would be kind of extra dank actually though. Yeah. I don't know, the WoW bots are kind of funny though. The WoW bots are kind of funny. Like I remember like let me see if I can find something. There's sometimes there's some WoW bots in the game. I can't find it. Like you can imagine like in World of Warcraft, if you can have like a bunch of bots together like this, you can have them stand in certain like patterns to spell out words and stuff. And that's how people would spell out like the website URL to like buy gold. They would just have like 40 bots lined up in like shapes of letters. It's kind of funny. It was kind of funny to see. I think I've seen it once, but it's super dank actually. Yeah. Can't detect the cheats if they're not software. Oh yeah, true. If it's on top of it, if it's like a plugin on top, then maybe they won't be able to detect it. Yeah, this is dank meme. Wait, actually, I want to see if I can find like the bot spelling out words in WoW. It's super funny. It cracks me up actually. Yeah. Let me see if I can find this. The extra dank meme bot style. Yeah. Oh, maybe not. Yeah, but it's funny. You can do like if you have like a lot of bots, you can totally like do crazy things with it. It is extra dank meme. Yeah, but we would not recommend this. We would not recommend this. Yeah, it's actually interesting though, like the way the WoW plugins are written. I think it's using this like language called Lua. Yeah, I've never actually seen it a whole lot, but that's what they do. That's what they do in terms of like the programming aspect of it. Yeah, they use Lua language to make WoW plugins. Yeah, but I think this language is used a lot for like whatchamacallit, like writing plugins. Yeah, but that's how they do this. That's how they make the crazy bots and stuff. That's how they make the dank memes, man. Yeah, I think so. I think that's how they go about it. Lua's underappreciated? Yeah, I haven't seen it used a whole lot. The syntax is like super different for me. Like I don't think I've really written like anything in that kind of like programming language before. Yeah, fast and simple? Oh dang. Interesting. Project Zomboid uses it? Oh interesting. I didn't know this, Mila. That's cool. I feel like I've seen it like in a couple places for like plugins or like mods for different like games and stuff. Yeah. One-based indexing, so a bit odd. Yeah, this is a bit wacky mode. I have not really seen that a whole lot. I think the only other language I've seen which has one-based indexing is a Julia language. I had to use this like one time for a class. It was kind of dank meme. It was kind of extra dank meme. It's kind of like Python, but like a bit different. But this one is also like one-based index. Yeah. It's a bit wacky mode. It's a bit different. It's a bit funky style. Yeah, the programmers, they count from 0. this is the way. Yeah. What does this count from 1 style? This is a bit interesting. This is a bit different. Yeah. Well, let's see like Lua. Let's see Lua. I think I remember the language being like super different. Like maybe I'm not used to it. Oh, actually, wait, this isn't so bad. Wait a minute. I could probably write something in this. Yeah, this looks like Julia. Wait, now that I'm seeing it, wait, this looks exactly almost like Julia. Interesting. Wait, maybe they like copied each other. Maybe they just like they took inspiration from each other or something. Yeah, I remember Julia. Yeah, I didn't really use it a whole lot. I don't know actually how new that language is. I think it was like a newer language. Yeah. Let me see if I can find it. I feel like it's newer. Yeah, from 2012. That's like pretty. I mean, that's like decently new as far as like modern languages go. Yeah, this is a newer one. But I don't think people really use it so much outside of like, I don't know, like science and like research and stuff. It's not really like super, it's not like industry used. Yeah. I had to build a rudimentary blockchain with it. Oh, interesting. Interesting. You built the blockchain? So that's cool. That's cool. You did the cryptos and the blockchain stuff. That is super interesting style. Yeah, I don't know. I've never really gotten into that, but I heard that's its own field. Like all the blockchains, because like it's outside of crypto. You can use it for like other things, for like storing records and stuff, I hear. Yeah, this seems pretty good. This seems extra good style. Yeah. But yeah, I think they use the Luas for the WoWs. It's interesting. Yeah, I don't know if the actual like game is written in Lua. I think, is it just the plugins? Wait, now I'm interested. Wait, now I'm gonna check it. Did they write like all of World of Warcraft in Lua? That would be kind of dank, actually. Like, wait, what language is WoW written in? Wait, let's check it. Yeah. Maybe it is. Oh no, they're saying it's like C++. Oh, I see. It's like a combination of stuff. Yeah, so it looks like they wrote it like mostly in C++, but they use like Lua for like UI. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, because most of the plugins in WoW are like UI based, like adding like damage indicators or like, I don't know, like extra maps and like stuff. Yeah. I see. So I guess that they split it. Yeah. Hades 2 source code is all Lua? Wait, really? Oh, dang. Hades 2. I feel like I might have heard of this one. Hades 2 style? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, yeah, I think I've seen this game. I've never played it, but it's like one of those cool, like, top-down ones. Yeah. I've heard this is very good, but that's all Lua too? Interesting. I feel like it's super hardcore to write a game in, like an alternative kind of, like, language like that. Yeah. And never mind, just all the scripts? Oh, I see. That's still pretty dank, though. Yeah. I don't know, I always feel like if you're like making a game or like some kind of like app or something, I feel like it's good to write it in a language that's like, I don't know, like kind of more commonly used. I mean, only if you're planning for like other people to work on it with you. Yeah. Because if it's a language that like not many people know, then you won't have like many people who can help you with it. It'll be kind of hard. Yeah, but if you're just like a solo dev, then it's totally fine. Yeah, as long as you can like understand it all. But yeah, that's kind of a worry about using like a language that isn't super popular. There's not many like devs out there who can also help you with stuff. Yeah, which also kind of like reduces like the amount of like stuff on Stack Overflow about it too. Like if you run into a bug, there might not be many people have seen that bug before. Yeah, but it's kind of interesting though. It's admirable. It's admirable to do stuff in these kind of languages. Yeah, we like this a lot. Yeah. But I've been totally getting into WoW, man. We've been totally getting into the World of Warcrafts. I've been like grinding this off stream a little bit. Yes, this expansion, WoW War Within. I've been liking it a lot because there's some pretty zones in this game, man. There's some extra super pretty zones. We've been enjoying it a lot. Yeah, any game made with with the live 2D as Lua, or like a live 2D style. Oh, interesting, interesting. I did not know that. I did not know that. Yeah. Are there a whole lot of games with that? That's cool. That's mega cool. There must be a lot more Lua devs than I know then. Yeah, I kind of took it to not be like a super popular engine or like super popular language. Wait, Love is a game engine? Oh wait. Oh, I've not heard of this then. I thought that was live 2D. I don't know, we've been in the VTuber brains too much. I've been thinking about this more. Wait, Love 2D. Okay, I've not heard of this. Wait, let's check this. Notably, Balatros made in Love? Oh, okay. I've not heard of this engine. Yeah, I've been like VTuber brained very recently. Yes. Love 2D. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, I've not seen this. This is a game engine. Okay, we learn about more game engines, huh? Because I have not written stuff in a game engine before. Like my Yippee code is all kind of like raw in Swift. Yeah, so we do like the game engines though. They're pretty nice. Yeah, so this is a game engine, Love 2D, and you can make stuff in Windows and Mac, and oh, that's like pretty much everything except like, I don't know, like consoles, I guess. Yeah, that's pretty nice though. That's pretty cool. So they made the Balatros in this. Very nice, very nice. Wait, so maybe is this Lua? Maybe this is Lua then. Yeah. Wait, did they have this? They have wiki style? Oh yeah, this is all Lua. Okay. Interesting. Nice. Alright. And you can make like graphics and stuff. You can make your like panes and things and make the pretty things on the screen. We like this style. Interesting. I had not heard of this before. Yeah, thanks for sharing this, Dolphinburb. Yeah, we like putting new game engines in our brain because I've always wanted to learn one, but I never like really decided on one. Yeah, because I feel like game engines are pretty good for like building mobile games too, because like at least the ones that I build are only for like iPhone and iPad, but you can use game engines to make them on like iPhone and Android with like the same code. Yeah, we like our game engines for this too. Yeah, also rip that guy. He just got like the no snap thing. Rip. Yeah. But we like our game engines. I've been thinking about like Unity a lot because I've seen some friends use Unity, and it's pretty popular for building like cross-platform mobile games. Yeah, this is pretty good. But yeah, we can definitely explore the other ones out there. I mean, there's like Unreal and like Godot and some other ones. Yeah, these seem pretty nice. These seem pretty good. Yeah, small engines must love it when a game blows up. Yeah, right? Imagine that's like the best advertising you can get. Yeah, because even like I think there's an engine out there called Game Maker. I think it's pretty popular now, but I had never heard of this game engine until like Undertale came out and blew up, and it was written in this engine. Yeah, I think Mr. Toby Fox of Undertale World probably made this a lot more popular than it was. Yeah, it got me thinking because I've always wanted to make like a story game kind of like Undertale. So maybe this is a consideration if we ever go down that route. Yeah. But we like our game engines a lot. This is pretty good. But I've not heard of this one, Love 2D. This is very nice. I wonder, is this like foreign? Because I see the O here. It's got like a little accent on it. Is this like, wait, who are the devs of this one? Yeah. We remember this O from somewhere. But it seems kind of like this kind of style. I don't see this. I imagine it is. I imagine this is the way. Yeah. Oh wait, they have a website. Oh yeah, we were here. Oh, we can't find out. They're very good on their OPSEC. We're trying to like uncover their secrets, but we cannot find it. Yes, maybe with a little more digging, but I think that's fine. Yes. Okay. Well, that's cool though. That's cool. We like this engine. We really like this engine a lot. Yeah. But I didn't realize they built Volatro in it, because Volatro is like a super popular game. Like I think they almost won like Game of the Year. Like when was that award show? Like it was like, was it the Game Awards? The Game Awards 2025, I think it was. Yeah, these ones, I think they were like nominated for Game of the Year or something. Yeah, were they? Oh no, but I think they won one of the categories. Yeah. I remember though, it was like a bunch of like I don't know, MMOs or something for this. Yeah. It seems pretty good though. It seems extra good actually though. Yeah. But I don't know, I like a lot of like the games written in these engines and stuff. Yeah. But let's see. Yes. What other games are out there? Yes. Oh yeah, I don't know. I know we get distracted a little bit. Let's see what other things and stuff. But yeah, I don't know. I would like to build some stuff in different game engines and things. Yeah, I've been thinking mostly of like Unity for that, but there's probably some other stuff out there. Yeah, maybe like Game Maker for the other types of games and stuff. Yeah, Game Maker engine and things. This is the pretty good style. Yeah. But so far, I'm kind of like a one-trick pony. I'm kind of like a one-trick pony. We do a lot of this stuff in the Swifts. We do a lot of the stuffs in the Swift programming language. It is all right though. It is all right. It's good for what we need it for, like making iPhone and iPad games. Yeah, we like this a lot. This is pretty good. This is extra good actually. But not good if you want to build like Android stuff. Yeah, because at least this language here, this one is built by Apple. This one, so like, and that kind of means like they don't really partner a whole lot with like Google. They don't do a whole lot of that. So you can't really like make Android stuff with this. I don't know if they'll ever like port it over to Android. I really hope they do. But we're kind of like pigeonholed. Yeah, but if we learned like Unity or something, we could totally build like Yippeeeee and Android or something. I think that would be pretty nice. I think that would be pretty good. Yeah. Let's see though. Yeah, what else have we been up to? We did like Yippee game updates last time. That was pretty good. That was pretty nice and stuff. Yeah, I actually think we're pretty close to like finishing this out as like an update. I think it would be pretty nice. I think it would be pretty good actually. Yeah, we were working on like background layers, like layers to our game, like parallax scrolling style, and we kind of finished that actually. We kind of finished it. So there's not really much left to do in our game. Yeah. I'm looking forward to good updates though. I'm looking forward to it. Yeah, I think the only thing we had left in our game to do was like one thing about the backgrounds is like we're never deleting the ones that go off screen. So it's just like infinitely adding backgrounds. That's like one thing we want to do. Yeah. Wait, I noticed also there's like a little gap at the bottom. There's like a little gap at the bottom. Wait, we can fix this. We can fix this like super quick actually. Yeah, let's do it. Let's fix it. I think it's just like, oh, maybe we didn't rerun it. Yeah, let's rerun our code. But yeah, we are super close to getting a new Yippee update. I cannot wait for this. I cannot wait for a new Yippee update. We'll probably do this like maybe next week or something. It'll come pretty soon. Like the code for everything is already in place. It's just like the stuff that you don't see, like deleting backgrounds and stuff that we need to fix. Yeah. Otherwise, it's pretty close to finishing. Yeah. So, I don't know, I guess like the plan for this stream is there was a bug that we had on the leaderboard in our game. So like the leaderboard is like constantly submitting like scores that are inaccurate. Like if you were to download my Yippee game right now and open the leaderboard, like all the scores are like super skewed and wacky and not accurate. Yeah, we're kind of like we're like submitting the wrong scores to the wrong leaderboards. Yeah, it's kind of dank meme. It's extra dank meme actually though. Yeah. So I'm thinking we can probably fix this. We can probably fix this. Yeah. But otherwise, I think the actual like game code is ready for update. Is ready for updates. Yeah. We have new backgrounds and stuff already. I cannot wait for this. I cannot wait. Yeah, we have like this new kingdom one and spooky one. I think the spooky one is probably my favorite. Yeah. But things are definitely shaping up, man. Things are definitely shaping up. Yeah, this game has evolved so much since I started on it, actually. I think, so we started this game, like, last year. And when I started it, I didn't even expect it to have, like, all these buttons and stuff where you, like, move left and right. It like, totally evolved from how I initially planned the game out to be. Yeah. It became a platformer over time. Yes. We evolved our game idea, but I think it's much better like this now. Yeah, this is definitely the way. But yeah, I think now we have like new cool backgrounds. It's like this kind of like scrolly style is replacing the style that we have in like the top right game. Yeah, where there's like no scrolling in the background. Now we have like different layers that scroll, like the little castle moves at a different speed, and like the moon in the back and stuff, and like the main background, they all move at like different speeds. I think this is definitely the way. This will be pretty good. Yeah. But I don't know, what else? Yeah, let's fix our leaderboard bug. I think we've been stalling on our leaderboard bug for a while. Well, let's actually see, because I think I'm totally like submitting the wrong scores to the wrong leaderboard. Yeah. We can fix it. We can totally fix it, man. I'm ready. Time to break out the wrench. Actually though, Goldie, I am so ready. Yes. Let's fix our bugs. Let's fix our bugs. Yeah, so we have like three leaderboards. One is for like the score in the game, one is for like distance, and one is for like the amount of Yippees that you defeat in one game. And I think what we're doing right now is we're like taking the score and submitting it to all three leaderboards, instead of like putting distance in the distance leaderboard or like the Yippees in the Yippee one. We're like putting score, I think, in all of them, which is like not very good. This is causing weird things to happen where like it'll say for some people like they've defeated like 1,000 Yippees in the same game in like one game session, which is kind of like dink. This is kind of like dink. Yeah. So I think after we fix this bug, I'm gonna need to like go in the leaderboard and like change people's scores a little bit. Yeah, we'll have to do this. We'll have to like tweak some numbers. I hope we don't upset too many people. We'll tweak it in such a way that like people will still keep their ranking. Yeah, but like maybe we'll like, I don't know, like divide it by 10 or something. Yeah. Let's fix the bug. Let's fix the bug. I think it's like in here. Let's go to our leaderboard tab view and fix some things. Yeah. I think this is the thing that we're submitting. Let's see. Yes, here's table leaderboard thing. Yeah. Let's fix our bugs, man. It is time to fix the bugs. It's time to fix the bugs. We have this submit scores. So I think we're submitting the wrong score, if I remember right. Did we fix it? We might have fixed it, actually. We might have fixed it, like, because I remember seeing this bug a while ago and like trying to like fix it. Wait, now I gotta check my commit history if we actually fixed it or not. Let's see. Let's go to our repo and see. Yeah. More game dev VTubers using niche languages are popping up. Oh, really? Oh, interesting, Dolphin Brew. I have not seen this. Maybe we gotta check some of them out. Yeah, this is pretty hardcore, though. Yeah, I don't know. There's some hardcore programmers out there that use the wild languages. Yeah. Although, honestly, for me, I haven't seen a whole lot of people use, like, Swift. I've seen some friends use this, but, like, there's not, like, a whole big, like, Swift community I've seen. Yeah, I guess it is a pretty, like, specific language. Yeah, oh wait, also I noticed we're, like, importing the same thing twice here. Wait, what the heck? Wait, let's take this out. And we like our Swifts, though. We like our Swifts a lot. Yeah, Twitch recommended me one using assembly because I watch you. Oh, interesting. Nice. Yeah, assembly. Wait, assembly for building games? Wait, that's kind of wild. That's kind of extra wild, actually. That is, like, super hardcore. That's like, because with assembly you're dealing with like registers and like memory and like literally moving variables around. That's like, well, let me show assembly for the friends. This is kind of wild to like build a game in with. Yeah. This is extra dank meme. I've done like a little bit of like fake assembly one time, but yeah, not a whole lot. But this is extra dank. Yeah, this is assembly. So like you're doing like move variable to different memory register, and like it's like, imagine building a game with this kind of logic. It's like dank. It's extra dank, actually. This is very difficult to do. Yeah. Not one off stream, like long/medium term project. Oh wow, that's like some pretty hardcore dedication. To build a whole game in this language. Yeah, because I don't know, this is the language like that was like one of the first ones, I think, if I remember right, because it's not really like, it's so close to the metal that like you don't really have many more optimizations on top of this language. Like if you build something in assembly, you can like be pretty sure it's gonna be super fast. It's gonna be super fast because there's no like kind of like abstractions on top of it. You're like almost at ones and zeros basically. Yeah. That is pretty hardcore. Doing the mad roller coaster tycoon deving. Oh wait, no wait, that reminds me, Goldie. I think you're right. I think that game was written in assembly. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, that's dank. Wait, that's dank. Wait a minute. I think you're totally right. I think I remember now. Like assembly for roller coaster tycoon. Oh wow, that's super dank. Yeah. I think they did build this in assembly. Yeah, this is totally wild. This is extra wild. Oh yeah, I'm seeing this. I'm seeing this. Roller Coaster Tycoon was programmed by one guy in assembly. I cannot believe this man. And the award for the most patient programmer in the world. I can imagine, like, imagine the amount of, like, copy-paste and stuff. The other thing, too, if you, like, build something in a language that low level, like, you're gonna be having lots of lines of code. Like, I imagine this is probably, like, 10,000 plus lines of code he probably did. Yeah, that's kind of insane. That's a lot of hardcore dedication, man. That's like building a jigsaw puzzle with like microscopic pieces. That's like kind of super dank. Yeah, one upside game is small. Yeah, that's true. It'll be much smaller that way. It won't take up a lot of memories. This is better. This is the better way. Yeah. And fast, yeah, true. It'll be extra fast. If you build stuff in assembly, it's gonna be blazing extra fast mode. Yeah. If I recall, Crosscode was made on HTML5. Crazy. Oh wait, there's HTML game too. Oh my gosh. Wait, really? I didn't even know you could, like, what would that be, like, script tags? Yeah, it's kind of wild. That's kind of wild. Or probably not even that. Megabytes, if not kilobytes? Yeah, this is a super small game. That's very good. That's very good. HTML5 replaced Flash? Oh, I see. Interesting. Wait a minute. We gotta see this. Wait, Crosscode in HTML5? I did not know you could build a game in HTML. That's kind of funny. That's kind of funny mode. Yeah. Wait, is it still being built? Wait, I'm seeing this. They're like, Crossroad RPG built in HTML5, and they're like, yeah, it seems like it might be. Oh no, I think it's already built. Yeah. Awesome graphics. Oh wait, they had like amazing graphics style with HTML. This is very nice. Game is done, those are old posts. Oh, I see. Yeah. Oh yeah, wait, this is 10 years ago. Wait a minute. Wait, I'm just seeing. Wait, this is an older game then. Yeah. Wait, crosscode game style? Oh wait, this is super nice looking actually. Wait, for a game written in HTML, wait, that's super. Wait, this is very nice. This is super nice actually. Yeah. Adobe. Yeah, I'm not like a big Adobe fan, honestly. Yeah, I am maybe like an anti-Adobe fan actually though. Yeah, don't tell them though, but like, yeah, we're not a fan. I don't know, they charge a lot for their products and they're all like on yearly subscriptions, man. This is dank. Yeah, I miss the Flash era. Yeah, me too. There were so many of my favorite games on the web browsers were back in like Flash. And they got rid of it. This is big sad. Big sad. I used to play some games though. I used to play some Flash games like way back in the day. Well, let me see if I can find some of these ones. Let me see if I can find some of these games. Yeah. Oh man, this is like... Oh wait, I found it. Oh, this is like one of the main games I used to play back in the day on Flash. This is called Save the Sheriff. But basically, you played as like a little pig, and you could like Goomba stomp these like enemies. And you had to like go, it's I don't know, it's in like the West. It's like a Western style game. And you go through like the desert and stuff and the saloons. And then, is it Java? Wait, is it Java? I totally thought it was Flash. It was in the web browser, that's kind of why. It was in the web browser around the same time. Man, this is like the 2007s, man. Okay, I didn't know that was Java. Interesting. Yeah, but these are like the old web browser games that we used to play, man. This one especially, I had like good memories with this one. I think it's still out there, like someone rebuilt it in like the modern web style. Yeah. My favorite Java game is Dust. Dust is actually also good. Yeah, we played this one on the stream before. This Dust game. This one is also pretty good. Yeah. Oh no, wait, it's not this one. Wait, like Dust game, like web. And oh wait, we can do like not Doppler, I think made it. Yeah. This one by Oh No is Dan Ball. I think the website was not Doppler. Yeah, like Dan Ball made this one. Yeah. This one is the classic actually, where you can like spawn different like materials and do like a little test environment and stuff. It's pretty nice. Yeah, Dan Ball. Yeah. This is definitely the way. Yeah. Games, website, and animation. Flash was cooking until Adobe was zero security updates forever. Yeah, thanks Adobe. Actually, though, this is so mean. This is so mean of them, man. We wish this was like supported forever, but this is dank meme. Actually, though, yeah. I don't know. So many games got Thanos snapped because of that. So many of the websites I used to go on are just like inaccessible now. Yeah, I don't know. I guess things go updated, but yeah, I guess Adobe never wanted to update that. Yeah. But that totally led to like so many games getting Thanos snapped. This was so sad, man. This is so sad and dank meme. Yeah. But yeah, a lot of my favorite games from back in the day, I think were Flash. Yeah, I didn't know that the Save the Sheriff game was like Java though. That's cool. That's pretty cool though. Yeah. This game was super hard. Like if you were like mega young style and trying to play this is like impossible. This is like super hard. They've even got, oh no, that's a different one. Yeah, this one though, this one. I remember there was this one enemy with like a boot. There was this one shoe guy. Wait, let me see if I can find the shoe guy. Oh no, I can't find it. One of the enemies in the game is like a giant shoe and he steps on you. And you gotta like do mega dodging style. Yeah, we did not have a lot of like hand-eye coordination back in the day. We got stomped a bunch. We got mega stomped a bunch actually though. Yeah, this is pretty good. This is pretty good though. We like these games. We like these games. But yeah, RIP man. I don't know, what are some other games I used to play with? Let me see if I can find some other ones. Yeah. There was one called... oh yeah, I found another one. This one's called Snowline. So you play in like a little sled, and you can draw these like lines of snow, and they control where the guy goes. He like falls down and he's got to collect all the presents and stuff. I think this is also a Flash game. Yeah, this is a Flash game. Yeah, Thanos snapped to one of our favorite old games, man. Big sad, but Snowline was so good, man. They might have rebuilt it though. I feel like they could have. They probably did. Yeah. Wonder how the most popular languages will look like in the future? Yeah, I wonder. That actually gets me thinking though. I feel like everyone wants you to be able to like program in English and it to like do something. I think there were some like languages that attempted this. Wait, they might have been like a certain style of languages. Wait, let me see if I can find them. Like programming language that like looks like English. There might have been some attempts at writing languages like this, but I feel like that would be the best way to do it. Yeah. Let's see. Oh no, I'm just seeing like when I look it up, they're talking about like COBOL and Python. That's not really like kind of what I'm thinking of. I think there were like some attempts at trying to use like English sentences to like make a computer do something and like program style, but I feel like it's not been like explored as much. But in the future, I feel like with all the AIs and stuff, it'll be doable. Like you'll be able to like give an AI a prompt and they can just like build something for you. Yeah, I mean it's already kind of like that, but there's a lot of bugs in AI code. Like even I've noticed that when I'm trying to like sometimes I'll use the AIs to like help debug stuff and it'll cause more bugs. It's just like you have to like take it with a grain of salt, man. You can't like trust it. It's sussy imposter mode. Yeah. Haskell, C, Lisp are the 3 most popular in 2030. Oh, interesting. Wait, really? That's interesting because like Haskell, I feel like that one's like functional style. I feel like it's pretty popular in the functional world. Yeah, I've heard good things about it. I've used it like a little bit one time for like a class. It was kind of hard though. Haskell is kind of tough if you're not used to that. Yeah. Prolog is gone though. Oh no! Wait, is Prolog one of those types of languages? I think I've heard of this, but maybe I've not seen the syntax. Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. I think so. Yeah, they use like a lot of these words, like neutrality in. Wait, what is this? Wait, are these function names? Wait a minute, I thought these were like keywords. Yeah, I think you're right. The goalie, I think it, or dolphin bird. I think it has been gone for some time. Yeah, there's been a lot of languages that have come and gone. Like for example, like C that you mentioned. C is like super old. C is like, well, I guess as far as like languages go, maybe it's not like old, but like C language style is like an older language. Yeah, from the 70s, mode. Yeah, but it's still used a lot. It is still used a lot. Yeah, even I had to like program something in C like a couple years back for something. Yeah, it's kind of hard though. It's kind of hard because you have to deal with like memory yourself, but it gets super like kind of wacky mode if you're not used to like pointers and stuff. Yeah. Getting trolled by AI, actually though, Goldie. Actually though, I get trolled by AI a lot. I'm like, oh, there's a bug in my code, and I'll send it like the code snippet, and it just like totally adds more bugs. It just like, it's super dank. It's super bad. Yeah. Insert fourth reference here. Oh yeah, that language that you used, Dan. The fourth language. That one looks super tough. That one looks super tough. I'd never seen like anything like it. Like this style. It looks like assembly, but it's different too. This is super hard mode. Or like this style. Yeah, I'm not used to this. I'm like super not used to this. Yeah, this is very commendable. I could not. It would take me some time to like even figure out how to read a program in this. Yeah. Rust, Go, Haskell, and Zig waiting for C to decrease in popularity to become the next C. Oh yeah, I've been hearing so much about Rust actually. I've been hearing about like Rust so much. I have a friend who's like super hardcore Rust programmer. Like this is like all they do. They do Rust like all day, every day. Yeah, I don't know. I've heard so many good things about it. Like it's like very fast and like open source and like C. It's pretty nice, and they've got like optionals like Swift too. We like this though. We like this. Yeah, Rust is a future. I think so too. It's pretty nice. I've not actually like programmed in it, but I've seen how the syntax goes. And we like the crab friend. We like the mascot of Rust, the crab. Isn't he nice? Isn't he super cool? He's super cool actually though. Yeah, that's the sign of a good language. They have a nice, cool mascot. Yeah, we like the crab, man. We like the crab. Yeah, Swift isn't so cool. I think they just have like a bird, like Swift language. Yeah, this is the Swift mascot. It's like a little birdie, a swifty bird. Yeah, we like the crabs though. These are better. I don't know what else has a cool mascot. Like I don't know. Go has a cute one. Go has like a nice little gopher friend. Yeah. This one's pretty nice. Yeah. But did you see PyGat? It reminded me of your brain rot. Yeah, we are mega brain rotted. Wait, I have not seen this. Wait, is there like brain rot version of Python? Wait a minute. Now we gotta see this. Actually though. Oh my gosh, this is maybe. Oh wait, I see this Python with Riz. Oh my gosh. Wait, this is like cursed. Wait, this is actually cursed. Wait, I've not seen this. PyGat. Python with Riz. Wait a minute. Python with Riz, be a Sigma and mog your skibbity toilet ops before they crash out. This language can only be used in Ohio. Oh, this is magical, man. This is like the perfect description. This like describes everything that we love. Blessed, actually, though. Oh, I love this. Yeah, thanks for sharing this, Dolphin Bird. Wait a minute, what is this? Wait, is this the language? Right, Python using brain rot terms instead. Oh my gosh, using pygat command. Wait a minute, skibbity. Oh my gosh, pla, bop, kai, sinat. Let him cook. Aura, chat, is this real cooked? Oh my gosh, wait, I feel like maybe we just gotta do like a one-off stream in this language for like the memes. Wouldn't that be dank? But maybe this seems like the way actually though. Wait, that's so funny. That's so dank actually. Wait, I love this a lot. Yeah, my brain is bleeding. Oh no, Dan. Wait, look away. This is like a biohazard. It's like what they call in the SCP world a cognitohazard. If you witness it, then your brain explodes. Yeah, unfortunate. It is too much brain rots for the eyeballs to handle. Oh no. Wow, this is super dank. I mean, this is extra skibbity style. The pie gats, man. Holy moly. Yeah. I'd learn the programming language if this was the language. Yeah, right? This is good motivation to learn the programmings. We just do it in all skibbities and Ohios and Riz style. We like this a lot. We like this a lot. Yeah, mine's running out of my nose. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, I think my brain has melted also. It is probably already gone. I think we've watched so many brain rot tiki-talkies and we've done so many skibbities and gyats and the Riz. I think our brain is already like Thanos snapped. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, print is Yap. Oh my gosh, that's funny. That's funny. Yeah, Yap Duke Dennis. Oh my gosh, it's giving aura. Oh my goodness, man. This is awesome. This is super awesome, actually, though. Yeah. Oh, they even show you like how it changes between like regular Python and like the PyGet. Wow, okay. Instead of like def or function, it's bop. And like for while, it's let him cook. And then true is aura. Wait, they renamed like the booleans too. Wait, so true is aura and false is cooked. Okay, that's super dank, man. That is super dank meme. Yeah, I actually just had a nosebleed. Oh no, Dan. Oh no, it's actually giving brain rot. Oh no, this is so bad. This is so bad. I hope we get better. Yeah. We have to do something that's like the opposite of brain rot. I don't know, that's kind of our style around here. I don't know, maybe something like this. So cooked, oh no, it's so over actually. It's so over, oh no. Yeah, this is super dank though, this is extra dank actually though. Oh, you can do, this is Fibonacci in PyGet. Dude, now that reminds me, I see Fibonacci and I just think of like coding interviews. Imagine bringing this to like a coding interview and being like, okay, I want to choose PyGet as my language. Yeah, also sorry for ads, friends, sorry for the ads. Yeah, this is dank meme. Maybe we'll take a little water break while ads happen. Yeah, BRB. Okay, we're back. We're back from like small water break. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like maybe we should have like BRB screed or something. Yeah. This is funny though. This is funny because usually a lot of like if you ever interview for like a technical role for like programming, they'll ask you like what language do you want to do your interview in, and you can usually say anything like, oh, I want to do my interview in this programming language. Like, what if you choose PyGet and you're just like programming in like Skibbity and Bop and like Aura and Riz, and the interviewer just must be looking at you like you're kind of like some kind of maniac or something for learning this. I feel like that's one way to just instantly get like delisted your application. Yeah, I would imagine something like this. I would imagine this would happen. Yeah. That's so dank meme though. That's so dank meme. Yeah, pip install PyGet. The actual builder is PyGet. That's so dank. Oh wait, they have the mappings here. Oh wait, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, wait, look at this. The try catch is Hawktua. Wait, the try catch is Hawktua. Oh my gosh. Wait, this is kind of wild. Is this kind of... Oh my gosh. Dude, I'm having a lot of fun looking at this. This is just like so brain melty. It's like so up my alley. This combines our love for the memes and programming, and it's all together, man. Dude, I totally want to write something in this. I totally want to write something in this and put it on my GitHub, just so that like if people stumble across it, they just get their mind melted. Yeah, why not, man? Why not? Our GitHub already looks like dank meme. Our GitHub already looks like dank meme. We have like Skibbity Toilet Candy Crush and like My Mango is to blow up and like the I'm about to come to-do list app. Our GitHub is already kind of a biohazard, but I think we can complete it by having a project in this language maybe. This is super dank. I like this a lot. I like this a lot actually. Yeah. Wait, what else is there? What else is there? Yes, a while is let 'em cook. Oh yeah, they also have like spit on that thing for the finally. Well, what's super dank? Only in Ohio is else. Wait, that would be so dank. Imagine you had a bunch of if else's. It would just be like, chat, is this real? Only in Ohio for like a while. That would be so dank. That would be so dank actually. Oh my gosh, in is Diddy. Oh, that is vile, man. That is like cursed. That is actually cursed. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Also, welcome back from ads, friends. Welcome back from the ads. And we're looking at all the keywords in the PyGat. This is like, we found Diddy in here. We found dedicating time to PyGat is crazy. I feel like this would actually be wild, Dolphin Burb. This would be extra cursed. Yeah, I was mentioning, like, imagine going into like a coding interview with like a company and them asking you like what do you want to program in for your interview, and you say PyGat and you have like Skibbity and Riz and Diddy in your code. That's so dank. Vile, it's so vile actually. I could not. Yeah. Oh, continue is edge. Oh my gosh. Wait, break is just put the fries in the bag, bro. Bro, I cannot. This is like so dank, man. I love this. I love this so much. Oh, yield from is pause, no Diddy. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so good. Sigma twin, Sigma, beta. Oh man, now I feel like I should rewrite my Sigma app in this language. It would make so much more sense, man. Yeah, we could just like have like the PyGat for our Sigma app, our GigaChat app. And this would be super good, actually. Yeah. Stream GitHub is gonna be Swift slash PyGat Swift. Yeah, it'll be, I don't know, I feel like it might be a dank meme though. If we just have like one random PyGat in there. Why not, man? Why not? We could do this. We could write something pretty simple. Maybe we could do like Pygame. I wonder, maybe we could make like a little small Pygame thing in PyGat. Yeah. What if we wrote like a Skibbity toilet game in PyGat, in Pygame? Wouldn't that be dank? Wouldn't that be dank meme? Like, I already have the Skibbity Toilet assets from my Skibbity Toilet, like, mobile game. We could just transfer them over and make, like, a little PyGat game. I like this idea a lot. This seems extra dank, actually, though. Yeah. Oh, open is mog. So if you want to open a file in Python, you do mog. And in PyGat, you do mog. Mog is the opening thing. This is so good. I think they're sharing this Dolphin Burp. I love this a lot. I have not seen this before, but this is like magic. This is like perfection. This is like code at its finest form. Yeah, this is the pure condensed brain rot that we love so much. I love this a lot. Yeah. But this would be so good for our brain rot game, right? This would be so good for like our GigaChat app. It's like perfect. It's like perfect for this. Because we have this like GigaChat app, right? We have it, the GigaRiz. We have the GigaRiz style. Yeah, although it's portrait style. But it would be like this. It would be like this. Yeah. You gotta break it up a little bit, right? We gotta spice it up a little bit. We gotta spice it up. We'll become like the PyGat streamer. Oh my gosh, dude. I feel like that would be so bad. No, I don't think I would ever want to do that. Maybe we'll do it for like this one stream. But like, imagine like all of the streams being in PyGat. I think that would just melt the minds. I think we would get like anyone who would stumble across our stream would just have their mind fried. Yeah, your April Fool's stream. Oh wait, that's actually a really good idea, Goldie. Wait, that would be so good actually. Wait, now I'm interested. Wait, when is April Fool's? What like day of the week does that fall on? Oh wait, it's it's Tuesday. Oh, it's Tuesday. Maybe we could do that then, like, maybe next, like, Saturday or something. We'll think about this. We'll come up with an idea and we'll do it. I'm very open to this idea, though. Yeah, this will be super dank. This will be mega dank meme, actually, though. Yeah, I think this will be super nice. Yeah. We like this a lot, though. This is a good idea. This is super dank. We can do this, because I have written a lot of stuff in Python before. We do know how to write stuff in Python, so I imagine PyGat won't be so hard. Like, maybe I could write it in regular Python, and then we can just convert all the keywords. We can convert all the keywords after that. Yeah. I don't know. It might be hard to, like, start out in PyGat or something. Yeah, this could be super good, though. We like this idea. We like this idea a lot. Yeah. Yeah, thanks for sharing this though, Dolphin Bro. This is nice. This is extra good. Yeah. Let's see though. Let's see. We like our dank memes, so we like our dank memes a lot. We like our Yippees. Yippee is cool meme. Yippee is cool little nice friend meme style. Yeah. But we even had our own like GigaChat Sigma app. We even had this one. We had this one, right? Yeah. Let's get our Yippee one up though. Let's get our Yippee one up. We like our Yippee friends. We like our Yippee friends in spooky worlds. In spooky worlds. Yeah, I totally forgot April Fool's was coming up though pretty soon. Yeah, I was thinking about like some ideas for that. Cause there's also like some cool like April Fool's like Minecraft updates that they do. We could also do something like this. Maybe, I don't know, it depends. It depends. Well, one of these styles I think would be good. Yeah, I like this though. I like this a lot. Yeah. We'll probably do something like this. We'll do something like this. Yeah. Let's see though. Let's see. Let's go into Yippee worlds. Let's go into Yippee worlds. Yeah, we did have like that one leaderboard bug. We might fix this. I feel like maybe we already fixed it though. I forget. You're gonna accidentally keep writing normal Python. Yeah. Basically, Delphiver. I imagine that's how it would go. I'd try and write like a normal Python program, and it would just or we tried to write PyGat and it would just end up being like normal Python. I don't know, it's hard to make the mental switch. It's hard to make the mental brain shift. Yeah, unless we actually studied the keywords. Unless I actually took some time to like study the PyGat keywords. Oh my gosh, what a cursed study session that would be. I don't know, this would be like crimes against humanity, I think. This is the forbidden knowledge, yeah. This would be super bad, I think. Yeah, we could do it though. We could totally do it. I'm not opposed to this idea though. Yeah. But I think it would probably go like that though. We'd probably try and make it, but it would be dank meme. It would be extra dank meme actually though. Yeah. I like this though. I like this. There's some other meme languages out there. Actually, I showed one like some time back. It was actually a language someone wrote for like a VTuber. There was a language someone wrote for like a VTuber. Yeah, I think. Oh yeah, I did show this like last time. But there's a VTuber out there in Phase Connect in Corpo Phase Connect style that I really like. Their name is Jelly, but someone wrote a programming language for her, and it's called Awawa, like or Awa, and all the programming looks like this. It's like Awawawa. It's so good, man. And you have like all this Awa talk representation, and the whole language looks like this. And they even have like a docs for this. They have docs for the language, but it's for this VTuber named Jelly. She's super cool. Like one of her fans wrote this meme language for her. It's super dank meme though, and all the code just looks like super dank meme. Yeah. But we like our meme languages though. We like our meme languages a lot. This is like a, I don't know, it's a passion project someone made in delving into the brain rots. Yeah. I don't know, maybe it's something like, it's like when like Terry Davis made that like Holy C language and like the Temple OS. It's kind of like this. It's like why not, man? Why not do it for the memes? Why not just like sink a bunch of time into the dank memes? Yeah, this is something that we like to do too. We like to make our meme apps too. It's just for the funsies, right? We like this a lot. Yeah. This is definitely the way. Yeah. Well, let's see. Let's go in Yippee Worlds and see if we can fix some leaderboard bugs. Yeah, actually, I forgot if I actually already fixed it or not. I actually forgot if I fixed this yet or not. We might not have fixed this yet. Yeah. Maybe we can check our commit history. Maybe we can check this. Yes, perhaps we can do this. I'm worried though if we show commit history, if it'll like leak. Well, let's see. Let's show, I think, on main branch. Yes. What did we do? Did we fix anything? Actually, I think. Oh yeah, submit all leaderboard scores. I think this is when we broke it. I think this is when I broke it. It was like last December. We might not have fixed it then. Yeah, we need to check it. We need to check if we still broke our leaderboard or not. It might be mega broken still. I feel like it could be. I feel like it could be extra broken for like many months. This is no good. This is no good. This is why we need to update it so bad. We have like bugs in production, man. We have bugs in the live app. Yeah. Let's see though. I don't think I can really test it though here, because I need to like log into my game center, and I think that would leak stuff. Yeah, maybe we can't test it then. Yeah. We can read the code and see if we have the bug though. This is where we're submitting our scores. We have like submit high score and this one and stuff. Yeah, this is pretty good. Oh, it's Kenrin, thank you for the raid. Thank you very much for the raid, Kenrin. I appreciate this a lot. Thank you, friend. Yes, this is very kind of you. Welcome, friends. Welcome, raiders. Welcome, raiders. I hope you all are doing very well. Yeah, we're doing like some Yippee codes. We were looking at some meme languages too. Hello, welcome, friend. Hello. I hope you had a very nice stream. What were you up to, friend? What were you up to? Were you playing cool, awesome game? Cool, awesome game style? Yeah, we like these cool, awesome games too. Yeah. We're doing some updates. We have a Yippee mobile game, and we're prepping for an update. I'll probably come out with an update for this next week. Well, we were also looking at some dank meme languages. Yeah. Yeah, playing a cool game with big buff Vikings. Oh, nice. Nice. This is the manly mode. This is the way to feel extra strong and cool. We like this. I hope this is very fun, Kenrin. Yeah, this seems pretty extra cool style. But yes, thank you very much for the raid, and welcome, raiders. Yeah, oh, also, if you need to like raid and dash, please feel free and go ahead. But I appreciate the raid. Thank you very much. Yeah, we're doing Yippee updates. I think we're also looking at some dank meme languages. Wait, check it out. Check it out. There were some, yeah, friend Dolphinburb showed like one Python language which is written in like dank meme brain rot terms that we like so much. We like this style a lot. Yeah. Wait, check it. It is super dank. Imagine writing a program where like all the words are like gyat and stuff, like glaze and lock-in and skibbity. This is what like the code looks like. You have like let him cook and skibbity and stuff. Like it's giving aura. It's super dank. It's super dank meme actually though. I was thinking we could maybe do this. We could maybe write something in this language. It's extra dank. Zoomer coding actually though, Kenrin. And it's actually Zoomer encoded style. It is super dank meme. Yeah. We like this a lot though. We like this a lot because I'm even like working on an app which is about like Sigma and GigaChad. I didn't even know there was a language out there that was already like Sigma and Riz encoded. The PyGyat, man. Yeah, these are all like the keywords. They have the keywords down here. Like they have like assert is sus. We like sussy imposter style, or in is Diddy. Like they put Diddy in the language. Oh my gosh, man, this is like vile. This is not the way, man. This is not the way to go. We were looking at this and I was just like, imagine writing like a little game in this. Imagine writing a little game in this and like someone has to look at the code and review it. They would just have their mind immediately melted like at first sight, man. This is not the way, I think. This is super dank cursed mode style. Yeah. Oh, they even have like Delulu and Goat and stuff. Oh, they have Sigma. They have Sigma. This is the way, man. We like our Sigma games. We like our games extra Sigma encoded actually though. This is definitely the way. Yeah. But this is super good, man. We might write something in this. We might do something in this. We do stuff a lot in this language here. Like the one you see here is the Swift style. But we can do stuff in like Python and PyGyat maybe like a little small like skibbity toilet game or something. I'm already getting ideas for this, man. Imagine skibbity toilet game in PyGyat and all the code looks like Riz Ohio style. This would like melt the minds a little bit, I think. Yeah. This would be super good. This would be super good, I think. Actually, though, yeah. Oh, but yeah, check out our Yippee game. Check out our Yippee game. We have our own little Yippee game. Yeah, so this is what we've been working on for like all the new friends. We have this little Yippee game about this little Yippee creature who's awesome and cool. Like, see little Yippee there holding the sword. He's very huggable and nice and very cute. Yeah, but we have this mobile game with him, which is actually like out on the App Store. So we can play this. but we're adding like updates to this. We're adding updates for like new backgrounds and stuff. We're adding cool new backgrounds to the little Yippee game. But basically, you can go around the world and fight all these little Yippee enemies with your sword and your ray gun and stuff. And you can like swap out your weapons and stuff. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. But we love our little Yippee creatures. We can even like buy new weapons and stuff, like a little bat and a bow, and we can be the bat sword wielding Yippee or something. Yes, we can have our bat and our bow and arrow. It is extra cool style, and he's extra fancy with his little top hat on. Yeah, but we love our memes around here. This is very Cipher encoded. We have all of our memes. We have all of our memes like Yippee and Gyat and Sigma and GigaChat and all this, man. Yeah, because we do this a lot. Yeah. Like, I think I even built like a version of Fruit Ninja with memes. I called it the Meme Ninja. We built this also on stream. It is Fruit Ninja but with the memes. So we have like Among Us Imposter and Pickle Rick and like Grimace Shake and Skibbity Toilet and literally State of Ohio and stuff. Yes, this is definitely the way, man. This is the way to go. This is the magical way, actually. Yeah, this is kind of what we do around here. We turn memes into mobile games and stuff. Yeah, it is extra dank meme brain rot encoded. Yeah. But this is what we like to do. We like to do this a lot. Yeah. Yeah, pretty cool. I think so. I'm glad you think so. I'm glad you think so. Yeah, we love our dank memes. We love our dank memes around here. Yeah. But we're pretty close to getting a cool new update for our Yippee game. Yeah, it's been a minute since we've done an update. Yes, but it is high time we do a little update. Yeah, we're basically gonna be adding all these new backgrounds in, like replacing the old backgrounds with these ones that kind of like scroll and like move around and stuff. Like you see like the sun moves like slower than like the sky and stuff. It's pretty nice. And like there's like a little village in the back. Yeah. I think it'll be a massive upgrade to our game, but this is coming. This is coming pretty soon, actually. Maybe even like in the next like week or two, because the code is pretty much done. Yeah. But I cannot wait, man. I cannot wait. We are very close for this. We are very close to getting new cool updates for cool game style. Yes. But yeah, I think we just had like a couple more bugs to fix before we release it. But like the actual like background stuff is all finished and stuff. Yeah, this is super good. This is super good. But this is kind of our style around here. We like Yippees a lot. We like Yippee creatures a lot. We have them on the phone, and we have them at the bottom too. They're kind of everywhere. We have like Yippee emotes also. The stream is very like Yippee encoded. Yes, this is definitely our way around here. Yeah. But yeah, I think like right now we were fixing a bug in our leaderboard. I think right now we have a bug in our game where like everyone's score in the leaderboard is like super inflated, and like we're giving everyone like crazy scores. Yeah, we need to fix our scores and stuff. Yeah, let's see if we can fix our stuff. Yeah, we are like submitting stuff. We're using this feature called like Game Center. This is like an iPhone thing, but like there's like this thing called like Game Center and iPhone where you can like log in and it'll like save a lot of your like achievements and your like scores in a lot of different games, and you can like integrate this with your own game. And we have this for our Yippee game. Yeah, for like our leaderboards and stuff. But I think we're submitting like dank meme scores to our leaderboards. It's actually mega broken. But I think we fixed it. Did we fix it? We might have fixed it already some time ago. Yeah. Let's see, we have like submit scores and stuff here. Let's see where this is being used. Submit scores and things. Yeah. Let's see. We have this here. Submit our scores. I think it might be fine. Yeah, we might have just like had like a copy paste error one time, but it might be all good and skibbity now. Yeah. This is kind of what we were looking to fix. Yeah, I feel like it might be good. Yeah, but I think yeah, some people are having like mega good scores, and it is kind of dank meme style actually though. Yeah. Let's see though. I think it's good. We're doing like submit score to this leaderboard. Leaderboard ID. Maybe leaderboard ID is wrong. Yeah, maybe that's why. We're doing like load leaderboard with one ID and submitting this. Yeah, let's take a look. Let's take a little gander and do some debug mode. Let's put on the debug mode brains. Yes, let's see. So when are we loading the leaderboard? I think we should be calling this like multiple times. I think that's why we had this bug, because we're calling this like once now. And we're like submitting the same score to all of the leaderboards, which is like dank meme. Yeah, we don't want to do that. Let's see. Let's see. So like loading row, yeah. We'll do the mega dank meme code debugging style. Yes. We'll find the bugs and we'll shoo them away. Yeah, that's how we debug our code. We find the little bugs crawling around in the code and we like shoo them away with like a little shoo thing. Yeah. We get some bug spray out and stuff. This is the debugging strategy with the bug sprays. Yes. Well, let's see. Let's see what we got working with. We're doing load leaderboard style with this leaderboard ID. Yes. And we're doing submit leaderboard stuff. Let's see, where are we calling this friend? Where are we calling submit leaderboard style? I think it's just here. And we're doing it whenever we open the leaderboard. Yeah. Okay. So it's calling this once when we open our leaderboard friend. Yes. Which is like which is like the whole table. Yeah. I feel like maybe we want to do it like with each tab actually. Maybe something like this. Yeah. Although I think I changed it for a reason. I wanted to like submit all the scores at once when they open the leaderboard. Yeah, we just gotta make sure we're like submitting the right one. Yeah. So where is this leaderboard ID coming from? Let's see. Leaderboard table view. Let's take a gander where we're making our table friend. Yeah. I think so. I think this could be the cause, the culprit, the sussy imposter in our code. Let's find it. We have table views here. Oh wait, we have like 3 of these. Okay. Yes, and each of these has their own ID. Okay, I think it should be fixed actually. Yeah, I might not be able to test it though. We might not be able to test this, but I think it's good. Yeah, we'll just need to like reset people's data in our leaderboard. Yeah, some people have like mega scores actually though right now. Yeah. We'll like chop down the numbers a little bit. Yes. But I think this should be good. Actually. Yeah, so we might already be done with our code. Minus like deleting the backgrounds that are off screen. But I think we'll do that later. Oh, we'll move this friend here. Yeah. But things are looking good, man. Yeah, so I guess like the Yippee code's pretty much like good as far as like update standpoint. Yeah. So another thing I actually wanted to do, this is something that we've been thinking about for a while. Like aside from Yippee game, I was thinking about like starting a whole new mobile game. Based off of my little mascot friend. Wait, maybe we'll show our little mascot friend. Yes, we'll show our little mascot friend, but her name is Aura, and she's super awesome. This is what she looks like. She's like a little fox friend. She's super awesome and cool, and we love her a lot. Yeah, but I was thinking of making like a mobile game out of her, like having like you be able to like play as her, and her like fire a bunch of like blasts at some enemies and stuff. I think this will be our next like mobile game idea, but I was thinking we could do like some of the game design on stream. Like maybe we could start that. Maybe we could start this. Yeah. Let's see. I already started like a doc. But maybe we'll do a little bit of this, man. We'll do some game design on stream. We've been doing a lot of like game programming and stuff, but maybe we can do like design our next mobile game. I think this will be cool. But let's get some ideas, man. We already have like empty document. This is literally from scratch. I don't know. I think I always like showing stuff from like the ground up. That'd be interesting. Yeah, I think so. I think it'll be good. Cameron, yeah, let's try it out. We'll start with like a doc maybe. We'll start with like a doc as like our initial ideas. But I already have a name for it. It's gonna be called Aura's Rush. I think this will be good. So you'll be like playing as Aura. It'll be like a fast-paced game, and you'll be able to like run around the game and like shoot projectiles and stuff. Yeah, maybe we'll put like Aura in this dock. Maybe we'll put like Aura as like a reference. Cute Aura friend. We love our little mascot friend. She's super awesome and cool. Yeah. We'll put her here. We'll put her here. She can be like our little helpful friend. But let's think of like ways to design the game, man. It'll be pretty good. Yeah. We're doing a little prep on the Aura game? Yeah, exactly, Goldie. Yeah, we're ready, man. I think it's time. It is time. Yeah. I think so. Although I've not like it'll help us for like when we want to get art for the game too, because I've not really like thought about like what art we need and like who like we'll need to like commission art for this too. Yeah. But I think I'm ready, man. We're ready. So let's think about it. Let's think. Let's start out with like what we kind of know that we want the game to look like. So I want like I want the game to be like landscape. So we'll do like game style. Maybe we'll like make it look pretty later. But I already have some ideas. So this will be like a landscape game. So this is like a horizontal game. So you can imagine like your phone is like tilted like horizontally. Like kind of like our Yippee game is also a landscape game. Yeah, so I want it to be like a landscape game. Yeah. What else? What else do we want in our game? Yeah, so that's like the main thing. I want you to be able to like play as Aura. Play as Aura. And like and like what can Aura do? What can Aura do? Like I want her to be able to like shoot blue like fire blasts. Like she has this ability. Like I want like when you tap the screen, she can like shoot a blast of like energy at the enemies. I think that would be pretty nice. Yeah. Although, I don't know, like I keep thinking of my Yippee game. Like I don't want it to look exactly the same though. But I think it'll also definitely be like the game will be like a platformer. I think this will also be like a platformer game where you'll be able to like move left and right and like up and down and stuff and like go around the world and things. Yeah. So this will be pretty good. Yeah. Well, let's think. What other ideas do we have for this game? Yeah, I want it to be like pixel art style, like art style will be like pixel art style. Yeah, I think this will look pretty nice. This will be pretty nice. Yeah, we can have this for our art, and then we can have like tiles in the game. We can have like tiles with this like tile assets. So we can have like the ground in the background as like. I don't know. I kind of want the background not to really be tiles, but like the ground, like our Yippee game where we have like the little dirt tiles, but like the background is like an image. So we can do something like that, I think also. Yeah. I don't know. I keep thinking of my Yippee game. I'm worried I'm just gonna like end up making a clone of my Yippee game, but with Aura. I feel like that wouldn't be super cash money. Of me actually though. Yeah, maybe we should get like some inspiration from some other games. Maybe we'll research some other games actually though. Like maybe yeah, let's put a section here for like other cool games that we like. Yes. How cash money are you looking to be? I want it to be super cash money and PogChamp style. Yeah, I want it to be super extra skibbity and awesome. Yeah, this is definitely the way. But I don't want to make like a clone of my Yippee game. I would feel super guilty if I did. Yeah, I think this would not be the way. Yeah. Let's see. What do we want to do though? What do we want to do? What kind of genre do we like? I mean, this is one game I really like, the classic one, right? Jetpack Joyride. We love Jetpack Joyride, right? We love this game. It is also a landscape game, and it has like cool mechanics. Well, we'll show this. We'll show the Jetpack Joyrides. This is like one of my favorite mobile games of all time, man. This is an awesome game. But like you also play, it's like pixel art style, and you like play as a little guy with jetpack, and you can move up and down, and you have to like dodge a lot of things. He doesn't like fire like attacks though. That's the other thing. So like our game will be a bit different, where like the player can like fire projectiles at enemies. Like this one is mostly like dodging, I guess. Yeah, I guess like the gameplay is a bit different. Yeah. I don't know. What's a game where you're like firing and like at enemies, like that kind of style? I don't know. Honestly, maybe we'll just look up like mobile game platformers. Yeah, this is like the secret sauce, man. We get inspiration from other games. Yeah. This is the secret copy, kitty. No, well, it's only inspiration, right? It's just like we take the idea. Yes, this is the way. Yeah, I don't know what we're showing. We're totally showing like the whole thing being made. This is the whole process. This is like the secret sauce, man. Well, let's check it out. What are like some mobile game platformers? Yeah. That's the name of a game? Oh, is it? Is it? Oh, I see. Oh, I thought we were like copycat style. We might be a little bit though. We might be a little bit. Wait, copy kitty though? Is this cool game? Is this cool game style? Well, let's check it out. Let's check it out. I don't think I've heard of this one though. Is this cool style? Is this cool style? Copy kitty though? Oh, it does look pretty cute though. It does look extra cute actually though. Oh wait, this is like one of those games where you're like attacking and stuff. Yeah, Copy Kitty is very cool. Oh, you've played this also, Kenrin? Oh, nice. This does look pretty nice. Where you're like a little friend and you're like attacking the enemies and stuff. Oh, I actually like this a lot because there's like platforms you can jump on and like walls and stuff. Like we don't have this in our Yippee game, but this could be cool to do. Oh, this is a good reference. Yeah, thanks for sharing this. This is a very good like reference. Yeah, this is super good. This is super... I like this a lot. Wait a minute. This is actually super good, actually. Copy Kitty. This is like platformer style. Yes. This is extra good, actually. We like this. We like this a lot. But I love the game style. The game style where you can like... There's like the platforms you can jump on. Like, yeah, like this one, this image especially. Like, imagine if we had this in our mobile game. Like, you could, like, spawn out at, like, one part of the level, and you can, like, jump on these little, like, platforms and stuff. I think that could be pretty cool. Yeah, and, like, these will be, like, made up of tiles and stuff. Like, we can have, like, tiles for the platform and stuff like that. Yeah, that way we can, like, make many of them. We can reuse them for, like, many stuff. Yeah. I like this idea. I like this idea a lot. This is cool style. Wait, let's check out the gameplay too. Let's check out the Copy Kitty gameplay. Yes, we must be aware. We'll turn off the audio for this one. Let's see. Oh wait, yeah, this is super awesome. Wait, I love this. Wait, this is a very good. This is like almost like exactly kind of what I want. Yeah. Oh, this is super good. Yeah, so we'll be like Aura, and you'll be like shooting the blasts, and you'll be like going around the different like levels and stuff. I don't know, they have curves though. I don't know how hard that'll be. Like if I like the idea though. Like if we had like the curved platforms, like the ones at angles. Yeah, I don't know. I guess the only platform I built so far is the Yippee game, which just has like squares. Just has like squares and rectangles. But we could probably get away with like curves or something. Yeah, we'll just have to like think about how this is like built. Yeah. This will definitely be a good learning experience too. Yeah. This is very good. Oh, and you can have like bosses too. You can have bosses. Oh, this is super good. I think we should totally have bosses. Yeah. I don't know, one thing about this though, one thing about this game though, is it like level based? I feel like this is like levels. Like maybe we'll need to have like levels in our game. Yeah. We can totally have levels in our game. This could be pretty nice. This could be pretty good. Yeah, wait, let's see. Is it level based? This kind of looks like it has like levels. Yeah, because at least our Yippee game is like a game that you play like forever. It like goes forever. But are there like levels in Copy Kitty? Levels in this style? Yeah, there's like eight levels. 8 levels in the Copy Kitties. Yeah, so maybe we could do something like this. We could have like our game with Aura and have like different like levels and like stages, and they're all like different designs and stuff. Yeah, this could be pretty nice. I like this idea. I like this idea a lot. Yeah. I don't know though, I'm always a fan of like endless game modes though. I'm always a fan of like endless games where you have like infinite points. We could make this like a game mode maybe, but maybe the base game could be like levels. Yeah, this could be fine. I think that's alright. Yeah. This is a very good suggestion though. Yeah, thanks for sharing this, Goldie. This is good. This is good. This is like exactly what I want. Yes. Nice. Okay. This is a very good reference. Maybe we'll do some screenshots too. Actually, I'll do screenshots also. I like to put screenshots and stuff. Yeah. We'll take us. We'll yoink this. We'll yoink this image and stick it in our dock. Yes, we like this image a lot. This is very good. Let's put this in here. Yes. But yeah, we totally need to prep our games more. I've not really been doing that so much. So we've had to like redesign a lot of stuff, like especially like Yippee game had like, it went through like two design phases, or like game dev phases, because I just like changed the idea of the game while I was coding it. Yeah, but we can spend some time like designing this next mobile game and get really polished out and stuff, and that'll like put us in a good like spot to like commission a bunch of art for it. Yeah, I like this idea. I like this idea a lot. Let's do this. Let's do this. So we like this. Like what do we like about this? We like the platforms that you can jump on. This is cool. We also like the slopes, like the triangles, the triangle angles, triangle angle styles. These types of platforms. Yeah. This is also pretty nice. Yeah, what else? What else do we like? We like the levels too. Levels with different themes, and designs and layout of tiles and platforms. Yes, this is also pretty good. Yeah. I like the idea of bosses. Like, what if we had bosses in our game? Like in Aura's Rush game, we had like big mega bosses and stuff. Yeah, this would be pretty cool. This would be pretty cool. Yeah. This is such a good game reference though. This is like, yeah, I don't want to like copy it, but like a lot of the ideas we're probably just gonna yoink. Admittedly, maybe we'll do a little bit of mega yoinking style. Yeah. But this is very good. This is all pretty good that we'll probably want in our next mobile game. Yeah. Also, maybe we'll put this like design here. Yes. So what else do we wanna do in our game? Yeah, I wanna, since we have like pixel art styles, I also wanna do like animations and stuff. Like our Yippee game doesn't really have a whole lot of that. It doesn't have a whole lot of like animations. Like what if you have like play as Aura, but like Aura has different animations and stuff. Yeah, like what can Aura do? Like animate. So we'll have like attack animation, like idle animation, like get damaged animation. Yeah. Maybe like, I don't know, if we wanted like special modes in our game, like in Super Mario where you get like the star and you go gold, then that's like another animation. Like, do we want this in our game? Like special like power-ups that Aura can collect? Maybe this could be good. Maybe this could be good style. Or like as an update. I don't know, I always have to like scope myself. It's like if we want so many features in the game, it might take like forever to publish the game for the first time. But if we keep our scope really small to begin with, then we can add it as an update. Yeah, we could do this. But I like that idea of like maybe have like power-ups. Like power-ups that Aura can collect maybe as an update. Yeah. Because I feel like it might take me some time to develop. There's some like new things that I'm thinking on doing in here that I haven't tried before, like the sloped tiles and like levels and stuff and lots of animations and things. Yeah, I think one good thing though about this though, so since we're doing levels, it won't be like procedural animation or like procedurally generated terrain. Yeah, that was one thing that was in our Yippee game that was kind of hard. Like we're spawning all these platforms randomly at like random locations, but like if all the levels are hard coded, then like we can just like design the entire layout of the level and not have to like generate any platforms on the fly, which is like much easier actually. Yeah, this will be good. Yeah. So we can do like pre-created levels, like no procedurally generated like platforms and stuff. Yeah, I like this idea, man. I like this idea a lot. Yeah. This is good for the plannings though. This is good for the plannings. Yes, we like this, man. What else do we want? What other things? Let's do some thinking emoticons. Let's do some thinking emojis. Yeah. Actually, maybe I'll put like a screenshot of what we want to do with the levels. Yeah. There's this thing in Sprite Kit. I think it's called like SKS file. Let's show this. Let's show this friend. Yeah. But there's already like support in like the framework that I'm using to make like level-based games. Yeah, let's do like file, new file. I think it's in here somewhere. Like Sprite Kit thing. Yeah. Sprite Kit scene. I think it's this one. Yeah, like this one. I think you can do like tiled levels in this. Yeah. I think totally we could do this. So you can like place tiles and stuff in here. Yeah. I'm pretty sure you can do that. But that's kind of what we'll want to do. We'll want to do something like this and use this kind of template thing and just like place all of our tiles on this kind of like gray thing here. Yeah, this is kind of more like a game engine, I guess, like this kind of style of dev. Yeah, where we're like placing all of our objects before we actually build the game logic. Yeah, because Yippee game is kind of just like we like put all the spawning stuff in the code. Yeah, but I feel like it's better without that. Yeah. Does Swift have framework / libraries that help with this? Yeah. I think Sprite Kit supports stuff like that. Yeah, they also have like yeah. So like the main thing I'm using is called a Sprite Kit, which is like for game dev. But I think they also support like tiles stuff. Yeah, like I think there's like tile sets, like Sprite Kit tile set. Yeah, like let's do this one. This is like a grid tile set. Yeah. Oh yeah, they have this. So you can make like tiles stuff in Sprite Kit. Yeah, I guess they give you these default ones out of the box, like these grassy ones. But we could probably make our own with like different like angles and stuff and things. Yeah. Like lower edges and stuff and well, let's see. There's like a lower left corner. I'm not actually sure how this would look all put together. But I think you can do like angled stuff. Oh, you can make animated tiles too. Wait, should we have like animated tiles in our game? I feel like that's hardcore mode. Yeah. Next I'll make new Swift called Objective Swift. Yeah, this is a good idea, Dolphin Verb. It goes from like the Objective C's to the Swift to the Objective Swift. It is like the combination of everything. This is the Dink meme way. I wouldn't be surprised though if they came out with the language after Swift though. Yeah, maybe they would totally do this. Yeah. Hey, we like this though, And now I'm getting ideas for like animated tiles. Like what if we had that? I feel like that's kind of overkill though. I feel like that's a little overkill. Unless it was like a fiery tile, like a tile that was like made of like lava or magma, and we wanted like the lava part to be moving. Maybe something like this. Yeah, maybe we could do something like that maybe. Yeah. This seems like a good idea. But yeah, it looks like the framework that I use can support like a lot of cool tiles and stuff. Yeah, Swift Sharp, Swift plus. It is all Swift Dolphin Verb. We like our bird. We like our little Swift bird, man. This is definitely the way actually though. We love this a lot. Actually though. Yeah. This seems pretty good though. I think we can probably like get a lot of like tile assets and stuff. Yeah, we can commission this or ask friends to make some things. Yeah, I cannot draw though. We'll have to like get all this like from other friends. Yeah, but I think it's worth it though. I think it's worth it for making a pretty game. Yeah, we'll totally go all out, man. We'll make a super extra pretty game. Yeah. This is the way we level up our game modes. Yes. But I like this idea. Yeah, I think we can build it in the same framework that we're doing right now. Yeah. The only thing though is it'll still only be like iOS only. Yeah, the prettiest? Exactly, Goldie. Yes, this will be super good. This will be super good. Yeah, it'll be extra super pretty style. Yeah, yeah. But this gives us some good ideas for like what kind of art we'll want. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like animated tile sets. Wait, did the kitty game have that? I don't remember the kitty game having the tile sets animated style. Wait, let's show this. Let's show this again. Yeah. Oh wait, they totally do. Wait, look at that. Look how cool that looks. Wait, that's so cool. Wait a minute. Yeah, look at all the lines on this. Wait, how do they do that? Wait, is this all like one asset? Or did they have like multiple tiles like stuck together, but the animation goes across them? Wait a minute, I don't know how they do that. Wait a skibbity moment. I feel like it's a bunch of tiles and they're all just like split up. Interesting, maybe we'll need to do something like that. Yeah. But maybe we should get like animated tiles then. This could be pretty good. Yeah, I like this idea. I like this idea a lot. Yeah, where do we put some stuff like tile assets? Animated tiles? And like see like what game is this style? Copy Kitty. Yes. Maybe like I think these are tiles. I don't know. Maybe? I'm not actually sure if those were tiles or not. But yeah, I think we can totally make them tiles though. We could just like have the animation go from like one tile to the next one and just like time it and stuff. Yeah. This could be good. This could be extra good actually though. Yeah. But I do like the idea of like bosses. Like bosses per level. And these are like big boys or little boys and animated and do mega attacks. Yes. This is the way. This is the way, man. Yeah. I've never made a game with like bosses. Yeah, most of the games I've made have been kind of like Yippee game where they're just kind of like infinite play style, and like the enemies are just like kind of like pretty basic. Yeah, but we can make like some mega bosses. We can make some mega bosses. They might have like specific like attack patterns. Yeah, like that could be good. Yeah, specific attack patterns. Yes, this will be good. Like maybe they can jump around and stuff. They can jump around on the walls and things. Yeah. I like this idea. I like this idea a lot. Yeah. Now what else? What else do we want in our game? Yeah, so I guess I don't know, I already like this gameplay. What else is in Copy Kitty? Like destroying these things? What are the things they're destroying? Wait, let's see. Maybe we could do something like this. Oh man, I'm totally yoinking. I'm totally yoinking though. They can swap between weapons? Yeah, I guess that's one thing. Do we want like weapons in our game? Because I want like Aura to be able to like blast enemies with like her own like fire blasts. But like, I don't know, I don't really want weapons so much. Because like, unless it's like Aura shooting like different like types of projectiles. Yeah. Because she can't really like hold weapons. Yeah, it might be kind of hard. I mean, she can levitate objects though. She can levitate objects with her mind. This is like part of her lore. She can do levitation style. Unless she like levitates a weapon or something. Yeah. I feel like we should use that though. Like, cause that's something she can do in the lore. Like maybe we can have her levitate certain things. Like maybe like levitate enemies. Yeah. Although, how do we want to like implement this? So she can like when we tap the screen, she shoots the fire blasts. But like maybe if you press a button, it like levitates an enemy, and maybe there's like a cooldown on this. Maybe, yeah. Or like levitate enemy, and you can like swipe your screen and like smack them into the wall or something. This could be kind of dank. This could be kind of dank meme actually though. Yeah. Maybe something like this. Maybe this. Maybe get levitate power up, and unlocks like levitate like attack button, and like levitate to like smack the enemies into walls or each other or something. Yeah, maybe this could be good. Yeah, I don't know how hard that would be to implement though. It could be kind of dank meme. It could be kind of hard to do. Yeah, but we like a challenge. Yes, this will be good learning experience. Yeah. I like this idea though. I like this idea. We can have like different types of attacks. Yeah, levitation style, and then like shooting the blasts, shooting the fire blasts. Yeah. What else can Aura do? Or maybe we can think about the shop too. I want to have like a shop in our game where you can like buy upgrades to attacks. It's like maybe like faster blast, faster like blast attack. Yeah, or like different colors. Or we could do like skins too, like skins for aura, or skins for attack animations. Yes, this could be cool. Like different color blasts and stuff. Yeah, I like this idea. I like this idea a lot. Yeah. Because I don't know, a lot of the times I'll think of like what's in the shop, and then we'll build the game out of the shop. Maybe this is a bad way to like think of game design. It's like what can the player buy in the game in terms of like the game upgrades and stuff. And that's like our game play. Yeah, I don't know. We'll think about this a bit later maybe. Yeah. Quick and dirty development? Yeah, we'll do it quick and dirty style actually though. It'll be extra quick and dirty mode. Yeah. We like this a lot. Yeah. Oh yeah, maybe I should put like a reference for like the fire blast. Maybe we should put this, I already had like a specific reference in mind. Yeah, let's do like the Ryu fire blast from like Tekken, I think it was. Yeah, this is kind of the main reference I had. Yeah. We'll yoink this. We'll yoink this one. Yeah. And we'll put this in here. We'll put this as our fire blast. Yeah. This will be good. Oh no, it's a WebP file. Ugh, it's gross. I'm gonna convert it then. I'm gonna convert the WebP to like the PNG. Oh, we don't like WebP. WebP hate actually though. WebP is dank meme format. Yeah. Let's convert our file, man. Let's convert our file. I noticed that like a lot when like downloading images from like Google Images, a lot of them will be like WebP format. Yeah. This is the dank meme way actually though. Yeah. Let's get it though. Okay, we have this now. Yeah. Let's put this in here. Let's put this in here. Yeah. Our nice. This is like a reference for like the blast that we want. It is Ryu with his fire blast. Yes. I think this will be good. Yeah, let's do this. Let's do this for like our fire blast for aura. A big old fiery blue blast. Yeah. But I don't know, what else? Do we have any other references for things? Yes, this will be like our fire blast, like, oh wait, the enemies. Oh yeah. I totally have this also. Like the enemies. Yes, maybe bosses should be its own section actually. Yeah. Let's make this its own section. Yeah. And have like enemies elsewhere. So the enemies will be viruses. The enemies will be viruses because in the lore of Aura and me, like we travel to the code worlds. We travel to the code worlds and explore these worlds, but they have evil viruses in them. They have evil virus enemies in them. Yeah. So we need the virus enemies. And I was thinking like we'll show the reference for this space invaders enemies. This is the reference for the enemies that I want. Kind of similar to this. Kind of similar to these little guys. Maybe something like this, but not exactly. Yeah. Let's get these as like kind of a reference for like what the enemies should look like. Yeah. Little cute guys. So like the space invaders enemies, but different. Yes, we don't want to like copy them, but I like the style of these enemies. They're like very like pixelated and like kind of slimy and squid mode. Yeah, these are pretty nice. These are pretty cute. Yeah. This is already looking good, man. This is already looking extra good. Wait, we already did like a whole bunch of stuff already in here. Holy moly. Wait, what the heck? This is coming along pretty quick. Yeah. But I really like this game. I think this helped a lot. This is pretty much like kind of how I want it to look a lot. Yeah. And like play and feel like this is cool copy kitty game. This is very nice. This is very good. Yeah. But yeah, I don't know. I think this is pretty good. This is pretty good. We might come up with some more ideas and stuff. We might come up with some more ideas, but that's kind of initially what I'm thinking for the Aura's Rush, man. Aura's Rush. This will be our mobile game. This will be our next mobile game. Yeah. We'll flesh out some ideas and stuff. Maybe we'll like draw out some UIs and things. This is kind of how we're gonna like start off with the design stuff, and then we'll maybe use this to like get some art and stuff for the game. Yeah, I like this idea though. Yeah, but I don't know. I think that's pretty good for now. I think that's pretty good for now. We did some good things. Maybe we'll have shorter one. But I think we'll call this one. Yeah, we'll call this one. Yeah, but we got some good game design stuff going, man. We did some game design on stream. I don't know, we did like a little bit for our Yippee game back when we were starting it, but it wasn't like so detailed. It was kind of like dink. Yeah, but we got some stuff done. Yeah, I think we'll probably call it, yeah, a little shorter one. But we got some good game designs and stuff. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with what we've got going on. Yeah. But yeah, this is pretty good. This is extra good style. Yeah, let's head back to our cyber room then, shall we? I think so. Let's head back here. Hello, friends. And we are back in our cyber room. Yes, we got some small progress on Yippee game. We're almost ready for updates. Yeah, GG, massive GGs actually though. We got some massive GGs going on. It is extra good style. But yeah, we started some game design on next upcoming mobile game. Yeah, dude, I'm ready for it. We will totally make a cool game with Aura, and it'll be extra cool in PogChamp and Skibidi and awesome. Yeah, like cool pixel art style. I can't wait. I've been having this idea for so long, for so extra long, and now that we have Aura on stream, we can actually start like making our game and stuff. Yeah, this will be super good. I cannot wait, man. Yeah, we might do some more like game design stuff next time, or maybe like dank meme pi sigma style. Yes, the pie gets. This might be good. Yeah. But thanks all friends for stopping by. And thank you again also Kenrin for the raid. Yeah. Oh yeah, we'll be back tomorrow at like the same time at like 11 Eastern. Oh yeah, we're doing our Sigma app. Yeah, we gotta go back into our Sigma Gigi chat apps and stuff. Yeah, thanks for the stream. Yeah, thanks for stopping by, Dan and Goldie and Dolphinberg and Kenrin and everybody. Thank you all friends. Oh, also sorry for the ads. Oh no, sorry for the ads. I don't like ending during ads. We'll stop it though. Yeah. Thanks all friends for stopping by. But yeah, before we go out, shall we raid into somebody? Maybe we'll raid into somebody. Yeah, sorry for ads. Sus for ads. Yo no, sus for ads. Oh no, this is big sad style. This is big sad. I do not like ads. Honestly, they are dank meme. This is dank meme. Yeah. And yeah, Thai friends for coming. This is very nice. Yeah. Yes, sorry for ads. They're so bad. Yeah, but we'll start our raid though. Yeah, maybe we can start it before the ads finish so you don't have to watch them all. Yeah, wait, who's streaming? Wait, we gotta check who's streaming right now. Yeah, who's doing the streaming thing? Oh, there's a lot of friends streaming actually. Yeah, let's see. Wait, there's a whole bunch of friends streaming. Wait, there's so many friends to pick from. You know what? We'll raid into friend Kodaru Complex. I raid into him a lot, but I'm a fan. I like his streams. So let's check out Kodaru. Let's check out Kodaru Complex. Yes. So thanks friends for stopping by. I appreciate it very much. We will be back tomorrow at 11 Eastern, and we'll be doing some Sigma Gigi Chat app dev. Yeah. It'll be my second time reading him today. Nice. This is dank meme. Very, very nice, Goldie. We like this. So let's go back into friend then. Yes. Well, thanks friends for stopping by. Yeah, hope you have a nice rest of your weekend if I don't catch you again. And yeah, we will catch you on the flip side. Yeah. Bye-bye. Thank you, friends.